Hello and welcome back. Thanks for joining us again. We're going to discuss an interesting topic because I've traveled in luxury and I've traveled on the cheap. And that's what we're going to talk. Traveling on the cheap. Yes, it's possible and amazing to even be able to still do it today. Think traveling the world has to break the bank? Then think again. Yes, prices have gone up and we're all feeling it. But I'm here to tell you, you can travel on the cheap. Is not only possible, it can still be amazingly probable. If you're a senior on a fixed income or just a frugal traveler, this video is for you. I've traveled like a pauper and I've traveled like a prince. I prefer the prince. And I want to share my 5 tips for seeing the world without emptying your savings. Let's turn too expensive into totally doable and have some fun along the way. Whenever I talk to folks about travel, the first thing I hear is, Ken, it's just too expensive these days. And I get it. Airfares are shooting up after the pandemic. Hotel rates keep climbing. And even a burger at the airport feels like it costs $50 or more. But here's the thing. I've seen countless seniors stretch their dollars and still have incredible trips just by playing it smart with timing, discounts, and where to stay. Take New Orleans for an example. Head there in early September, which is the off-peak season, and you'll often find flights and hotels running much cheaper than during Mardi Gras or the holidays. Pair that with a guest house that includes breakfast, you're already saved a chunk of change. Throw in senior discounts. Yes, trains, hotels, attractions, they still honor them. This all makes your getaway more affordable and then very, very doable. The biggest lesson, affordable travel isn't about luck, it's about strategy. You may not be sipping champagne in a 5-star resort, but you can still have 5-star fun. Jazz clubs, local food, walking tours, all without draining your savings. And the stories you bring home, those are worth more than the price tag. Ready to save? Here are the keys to traveling on the cheap. Be flexible with timing. This is huge. Airfare and hotel rates can swing dramatically depending on when you travel. The secret is to go off-season or shoulder season. For example, Europe in late September or the Caribbean in early May. You'll get lower prices, smaller crowds. Even with a month, weekday flights are often cheaper than weekends. According to travel data, late August tends to be one of the cheapest times for many destinations, when the summer rush fades. If you can time your trip wisely, not when everybody else is going, you can save a bundle. It might even mean visiting Alaska in the early spring or Florida in the winter. But hey, you often enjoy a place more without the crowds anyway.
Interrupting Ken real quick, Max the Travel Pup here. Before we continue with number 2 on the list, Ken and I have a special contest where you can win a prize. Guess our mystery destination correctly and you'll win a stylish leather passport wallet courtesy of Ken and yours truly. Here's a hint. This artificial 82-kilometer waterway connects the Caribbean Sea with the Pacific Ocean. It is a conduit for maritime trade between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. Hurry to travelbyken.com, enter your guess. You'll also get a copy of our Where To Next magazine, packed full of exclusive deals. Submit your guess and also get a chance to win a $300 onboard credit toward any cruise booked in 2025 for a 2026 or later sailing through our agency. Remember, traveling on the cheap is good for all ages, so no matter if you're a senior or not, so submit your guess now.
Embrace discounts and freebies. There's a good one. Take advantage of every discount you qualify for. AARP or senior discounts can get you cheaper rates on hotels, car rentals, and more. Many major hotel chains offer 10 to 15 off for guests 60 plus or AARP members. That's instant savings for you guys. Some airlines, if you call, and trains like Amtrak offer senior fares. Don't be shy about asking. Do you have a senior rate? Worst they can say is no, and often they'll say yes. Also look for free activities at your destination. Museums with free days, public concert, beautiful parks, hiking trails, free walking tours, they exist everywhere. We just got to find them. Build your itinerary around these freebies. Your wallet will thank you. Number 3, travel smart with transportation. Getting there for less is half the battle, but be open to alternate airports or a connection if it drastically cuts the costs. Once on the ground, use public transit instead of pricey cabs. Many cities have senior transit passes or discounts. If you're on the road trip, use Fuel Rewards program and pack a cooler with snacks. Gas station food is pricey. Also consider slow travel, staying longer in each place instead of hopping cities every other day. Fewer transfers and one flight instead of 3 equal money-saving things you can do. If this part is what is holding you back, give me a call. Rethink your accommodations. You don't need fancy hotels to have an amazing trip. Try budget-friendly stays, a clean family-run guest house, or an Airbnb apartment where you can cook a few meals by yourself. If you're social, maybe a senior hostel or a hostel with private rooms. They exist and can be a steal. They turn into a place you could call home. Look into home exchange or house sitting if you're open to it. Imagine staying in someone's home for free while they stay in yours. At the very least, pick lodgings that include breakfast or have a kitchenette so you can save on dining out. Every coffee and toast you can have at home is money in your pocket for something else. Plan ahead. Spontaneity is fun, but the best deals often come to those who plan. If you know you want to visit family across the country for the holidays, let's start looking at flights months out when prices are lower. For tours or cruises, booking can lock in early discounts, while sometimes booking late, very, very late, can save you if you're flexible. Emphasis on flexible. I've scored half-price tours for my clients when booking at the right time. Basically, when you see a great deal on our site, jump on it, because it's gone. Opportunities pass quickly. Keep these strategies in mind, and you'll find that I can't afford to travel starts turning into, where should I go next? The bottom line, traveling on a budget is completely doable with the right mindset and tricks. It might even add to the adventure. You'll discover local spots and creative experiences that big spenders sometimes miss. I hope this got you excited to plan a trip without the sticker shock. If you learned something new, give this video a like and consider subscribing for more budget-friendly, senior-savvy travel tips. Do you have your own money-saving travel tip for a great deal you've scored? Share it in the comments section. We'll put it up. We'd all love to know. Now go snag a great deal and make some travel memories. Happy travels, happy saving, bon voyage.